जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 10th chapter विभूति विस्तर योगमु 7th श्लोक गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, controlling the entire Srishti just by my sankalpam, just with my sankalpam. This aspect is known as Vibhuti, also called as Aisvaryam. And I am filled up with so many unlimited divine qualities, divine mystic powers. That is known as Yogam. And now what I would like to tell you is, those who factually, really understands my Vibhuti and my Yogam, they will definitely have unshakable devotion towards me. There is no doubt. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma explaining us the process of making our devotion unshakable. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Etam vibhutim yogancha mamayo vetti tattvataha so vikampyena yogena yujyate natra samsayaha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if you do these 8 things, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now, let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma saying to Devatas like this, O Devatas, in Sri Vaikuntham, those children, Sanaka and other children, they are now talking to Dwarapalakas. They are saying that, O my dear Dwarapalakas, here in this Sri Vaikuntham, where is the chance of suspecting anyone? Because everybody in this Sri Vaikuntham is a devotee of Sriman Narayana. But you too have that kind of contamination, pollution in your mind, in your thought. And your behavior also is not good. That is why you do not deserve to live in this Sri Vaikuntham. You are very much fit in living in a lokam where Kama, Krodha, Lobha, those three enemies are there, those three qualities are there. In that lokam, you are supposed to be living. So that is why you both can go to that lokam. Like that, those Sanakadi children said to Dwarapalakas. Immediately Dwarapalakas realized that these Sanaka, those children are very much upset and very much anger on them. Immediately those Dwarapalakas, Padagrahau, they fell on their feet, apatatam. They fell on the floor, and now realizing that Brahmana Sapam, a curse by a Brahmana, cannot be attacked by any kind of shastram, they realized, and they started getting shaken with so much of fear. And now they are saying that, yes, we deserve this kind of punishment for the behavior that we have done. Definitely, it is a huge sin. Neglecting, ignoring, insulting Paramatma's devotees is a huge sin. That we did, definitely we deserve this punishment. But, oh my dear devotees, can you please bless us wherever we are? We should not be forgetting Paramatma's Namam. We should always should be thinking about Paramatma. Can you please bless us that? Like that, they asked. Now, whatever is happening here, evam tadaiva Bhagavan Aravindanabhaha. Paramatma came to know about all that it is happening here. Immediately Sriman Narayana Charanau chalayan sahasrihi. Then Paramatma along with Mahalakshmi Devi came to that place where all this is happening. Hari Sarveswarudu Anantudu ఆ కలకలంబు ఆలించియే తెంచెన్. Paramatma is coming towards that place. Now Sanakadi, those children came in search of the divine feet of Paramatma. The same feet is now walking towards Sanakadis. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. ఓం శ్రీకృష్ణ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. ముకుందమాల. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణే నామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 10th chapter 7th శ్లోక. ఏతాం విభూతిం యోగంచ మమ యో వేత్తి తత్వతః సోవికంప్యేన యోగేన యుజ్యతే నాత్ర సంశయః. ఏతాం విభూతిం యోగంచ మమ యో వేత్తి తత్వతః సోవికంప్యేన యోగేన యుజ్యతే నాత్ర సంశయః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.